Today I'm going to be unboxing the new 2020 Fashionista number 140. So now, let's remove her from the box. Now that we have her out of that box, let's remove her from this box. Now that she's out of the box, she has a little bit of box hair and this weird thing holding sunglasses onto her hand. I'm just going to take care of the box hair real quick before we get on with the unboxing. Now that that's taken care of, let's get into the unboxing. She has some really cute salmon boots, these really cool sunglasses, and a dark gray dress with mice on it. The dress has some ruffles and Velcro in the back. I really like this doll's face mold. I also really like her facial expression. Like all of the other 2020 dolls, she has some pixelated makeup, sadly. And she has some brown hair with dark brown highlights. Her hair goes down to her waist. This is a tall Barbie body. Here she is compared to a curvy, original, and petite, and a Ken. Like all Barbie fashionistas, she can move at her head, at her shoulder, and at her hip. Now I'll show you what the sunglasses look like. Here they are on her head, and here they are on her face, and here they are on by themselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!